Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Friday, September the 4th. The time is around 3 a.m. GMT. We're gonna be looking at the chart of the gold, 60 minutes chart here. Alright, so let's review first of all what our primary view is, but also talk about uh, possible other alternate possibilities, and also talking about slightly larger degree time frame. So from here we can see that this 60 minutes chart, this pullback here ended with 1, this bounce here ended with 2, so now we are technically in the with 3 in the red degree, okay, and should be unfolding into 5 waves. We are ending this minute degree with 1, and now bouncing in the minute with 2, and then as far as we stay below 1994, we could see gold to extend lower within this minor degree with 3 on the downside. Alright, arrow is turning down with the black, so it's not really a confirmed type of bearish trend in gold. Now, stepping out, zooming out a little bit, taking a look at the 4-hour. Now I'm putting in here the 1 and 2 here in the 4-hour. This is the 1 and 2. So technically we are talking about a 5-ways move that start from here, right? That starts from August 18. So according to this count here, so you got two. I mean, this can either be, this has to be your larger degree, is more larger degree than the minor degree. So this has to be your let's say the intermediate degree, right? So this could be either with A or with 1, right? This could be either your with A or with 1, and August 18 has to be either with B or with 2, right? That's how you make a analysis on the 1-hour chart. Now, so that means we are now within the with 3 of C or with 3 of 3. Now that implies, this count here implies we might possibly see another leg lower that will break below this August 12, right? And the sort of the next potential target here is going to be 100% at least, so 1800 is going to be the next potential target on the downside. Now, so that is basically what the primary view now is calling. Now, is it gonna be guaranteed? No, because it's turning down, and we actually has never broken below this previous low before, right? So there's no guarantee we are actually going to revisit 1800 if at all. Now, looking at the from a slightly different point of view, it's a simple, very simple kind of analysis. So here is the gold, right? Same gold futures, a monthly time frame. Now, obviously, everybody knows that we broke to a new all-time high, and this is the previous all-time high at 1920. This is a monthly time frame, by the way, guys. You can see very strong rally since we bottom in 2015. I think starting from September 2018, we've been non-stop going up on a monthly time frame. Look at this, right? And we broke to new all-time high. Generally speaking, it's very common to revisit that previous all-time high, which we did last month, and we held 1920. Now creating what looks to be some sort of indecision candle here. Now, typically when you are already breaking and closing above that previous all-time high, generally it's gonna that means that we are going to continue higher here and go in the longer time frame. Now, we can see just a simple sort of a support resistance analysis. We have two important levels, 1920 and 1800. Now, 1920 is the previous all-time high, right? But that's kind of like the shadow of the candle. Now the body of the candle, which connects even more sort of points here, is at the 1800. So 1800 clearly is, I think, is a stronger support compared to the 1920, right? But that's why there is still a possibility we can go to 1800, right? We can go to 1800, which is around this area, in which case this is going to be a stronger support if we can go there. But again, like I said, there's no guarantee we are going to go there until we actually break below 1865, and the trend is still firmly bullish. We just broke to new all-time high, not against just the US dollars, but against every other currency in the world, against the euro, against everything else. Actually, we're gonna have a free webinar on gold next week on Saturday, in which we're gonna talk about gold and also talk about some of the gold miners as well, and gold miners ETF. So if you want to join, you can always go to our site and register for the free webinar on Saturday, September 12th. Okay, we're gonna talk more about the precious metals. But yeah, so this one, either we continue to consolidate here like this without really breaking below 1920, or holds above 1920, retest 1920, and then go up again, or in the worst case is what we are calling here. If this is 1 and 2, then we can extend lower in a 5 ways, go to 1800, in which we can see a stronger support right here, if it can happen, of course, for maybe the next leg on the upside, or at least a 3 days bounce in gold. Alright, so that's the update for gold for today. And as always, if you do like to get a regular update, please subscribe our channel and like our channel. And if you want to check our work, we have 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video below. So see you all again next week. Have a nice day, everyone.